hoping that I could keep it up, and then I was gonna try and steer it. Oh baby. All right. Steering this is a little, at least I don't quite understand it yet. I thought I did, or maybe I'm just like, I don't know. I think I've got a little too much on my mind trying to keep the wheelie up first, but I do not know. I'll just be, because you need the wheelie to be like second nature. That way you can keep it up, not have to worry about it. Obviously, everything just becomes easy, muscle memory. I mean, it is. My throttle control still needs work, but yeah.